They painted every room. Went back and painted everything white. Okay, so this is where we are now. Jamal's gonna tell us what we have in front of us.
This is the AC, HVAC. This is your air duct work, HVAC work. Metal duct work.
Okay.
You see?
And this is what I gas over there. What is it?
Water heater.
Water heater.
Boiler room.
And then we have in the dining room. We got in the kitchen. They did the fireplace. Our fireplace. Then we come this way. We got the boys' tub and shower. I'm gonna go around. They tub and shower. Let me zoom out. I thought I was zoomed out, y'all. Sorry. Stay tub and shower. Then you come around. You got going in here with the washer and dryer. And you got my tub, my window. Then you got piping for the two sinks. So that's where the two sinks going, his and hers. And you got a shower. You got plenty of room in here. And then you got our shower with the little seat in there. The boys are rock, paper, scissoring for this room that we in. Jason just won that one. So if Keon don't get something, then this room is Jason's.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Come on, get out of here. You get a bigger room though. I don't understand why.
So Jason won this room. We came back today, and Jamal said that they are done. So we're gonna take a little look-see. And for some reason, we walked through the garage. I'm gonna go with the upstairs first. Oh, wow. It looks like a room. They gotta go back and do that at the bottom. The edge work. Oh. Yeah, we got a room.
Didn't I say put it right there when we came up with last time?
So you're gonna put TV on that wall, and we sit around this way, and we go back like we should have went to start with. And this is the dining room. Don't look small. Looks pretty decent size. The arch. When we come through, pantry. Okay. Kitchen. Hallway. Okay. And then the bathroom. Closet. Okay. Okay. See the walls, see the walls. See the closet? That's a nice size. It make the closet look bigger. Okay. Jason's roomy room. I said Jason's room in the house. No more walking through, cutting through. I can't cut through no more, y'all. Living room. That's your ceilings, your lights, hall light. Then you got the other room, what? Laundry room, okay. Let's slide it in there. Put some shelves right there. It don't look no smaller. Love all this natural sunlight. Love it. This tub getting nastier and nastier. Okay. Closet. So right now I'm in my walk-in closet. So what? Pretty sure they're gonna come in and touch it all up. Well, we are making a ton of progress. Walking into the stuff. And outside, they still didn't do this up here. That's about all you can see in the inside.
You should have seen. You should have said that's what it used to look like.
As Jason said, that's what it used to look like, and this is what it is now. Nice, nice. We have our column, and let's see. See what else they've done. We got our column. It's dirty. We got our column. They put the we have our pantry door. We got a key on. Okay. We got something coming out of the wall. I don't know what that is.
Power cable for your stove.
Okay, we got the power for the stove. Got our other window done. Yeah. And do nothing over here. We got the sliding door done. And I go back this way. I'll skip this. We got our hall closet. door.
Nobody.
Okay. We got our garage door.
Garage door.
Oh, it's a little bit heavier.
Oh yeah, for sure.
We got the going up the steps like the framework. We got the trim around the steps. I guess we're going up because Keegan made it seem like something up here. We got our door and our step in. Oh, okay. We got our baseboards up here.
We got the door.
Got the window.
Yeah.
Okay. Little door so you can close it.
Whoa. Ow. This is the ninja skills.
So, Keon's room. Baseboard. Jason's window. And did the baseboards in the closet. Oh, it's got a little angle to it. A little angle. Closet door. We got your hall closet. Well, this is linen closet, ain't it? Linen closet. And then they put a door on the laundry room. I like that wood, it's pretty. That's about all they did. And then the master bedroom. We got our closet door on our walk-in closet. And the windows in here are done. Baseboards are done. And what else did they do? Rounded the edges. And so out in the garage, they have did the baseboards also. Frame around the door. These are the closet doors. Good progress. Lots of progress being made. Oh, and we have the attic door. The crisp always don't even show up, how crisp white it is. You got your doors. You just see all the crisp white. They painted all the doors white. This is every door. They painted every room. Went back and painted everything white. Got your ceilings white.
Y'all seem so much higher than everybody else's.
Got a moth in the corner.
You see? No, you also got a spider here.
Got another bug. They left all the water in the tub and they painted. They painted everything. So today is Friday. We just came by some books. What's the boat? So to Rockaway. And so now we're back today, and it looks like we have cabinets. Let's go in and take a look. And so that's exactly what it is. So now we have our cabinets that are about to go in, and they have put the lock on the door. All of our cabinets right here, so pretty good, pretty good. This is what I call a really good sign of we may be in before Thanksgiving. Just wishful thinking, because they have not gave us a date on our new closing date. They haven't gave us a new closing date. So with us, which mom didn't know. So with us having the cabinets in here, it's a really good sign that we may be on schedule to close before December, like they're saying. So we just have to wait and see. Whatever the date may be is what the date will be. It's the color of our cabinets.
It's JK over everything.
Keep your head in the game.
Always keep the bigger picture in mind, because the sky is the limit.
You like comment and says goodbye.